This is my favorite bag of all time. Like, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a video on Sparkle Co's June 2020 I Want It All subscription bag because I am obsessed with this bag. So if you don't know anything about Sparkle Co's I Want It All bags or any of their subscription bags, I'm gonna have all that information in the description box below, and I'm gonna cover it at the end of this video, so stick around for that if you're interested in learning more. But basically the gist of it is Sparkle Co has a subscription bag. I get the I Want It All because I want all the things, and June was my birthday month and they have an exclusive specifically for people who it's like their birthday the month that they get the I Want It All bag. So this is called Birthday Fears 2, and it is pink and turquoise, and there's like my two favorite colors mixed into one. I absolutely love it. But anyways, I did a manicure using the Sparkle Co I Want It All bag. I did a manicure using 3 of the colors in the Sparkle Co I Want It All bag. So this red, this beautiful glitter, and this aqua turquoise color called, what are you? Be More Pacific. Anyways, so I love blue. Blue is my favorite color in the whole wide world. Between dark blue to light blue, aquas, all the blues, I'm obsessed with it. And this bag came with all the blues, like all of them. Anyways, it also came with some whites, some reds, and some more navy blues. So if you can tell by the theme of this bag, it is basically a aquatic, nautical theme style of bag. Like, I know some swatches are turned around. Anyways, so it is a very nautical themed bag, and it is absolutely stunning. I love the whole range of this bag. Anyways, so to give you guys like an up close and personal of all the items that come in this bag, I'm gonna flip the camera over and unbox the bag for you guys so you guys can see it, see everything that came in the bag, and then I'm gonna tell you guys why I love this bag so much. Here it all is in its beauty, its glory, and there's just so much aqua. I'm obsessed. So if you get the $44.99 bag and up, you get an upgrade item. Also, it was my birthday, so I got a little card. Yay! So the upgrade item this month was this water bottle. So it has an anchor on it, and I just love that it's this turquoise aqua color because I love that color so much. So much of my decorations is this color, so this is going to be a decor item for me as well. And then we're going to get into the actual bulk bread and butter of the subscription. So I get the I Want It All, so I get everything that they offer for the subscriptions, and these are the gels. So it comes with 4 8 ml gels, and they're absolutely stunning. I really like the variety of colors. So you got the red, the white, and the blue, but you also get the lighter blue. I really like that they offered a lighter blue so they weren't 100% 4th of July. And then we're getting into the dip powder subscription part. So all of the dips that I get are mini sized, and one of the colors always comes in a 1 ounce size because it's considered Christy's favorite. And Christy is the owner of Sparkle Co. So I really love this range. I just love that they capitalized on the turquoise in the subscription and didn't go 100% for the dark blue that you traditionally see for 4th of July colors. Another reason I love being an I Want It All subscription member is because every month one of the colors is exclusive to only I Want It All members. So if you don't get the I Want It All, this color will not come in your subscription box. And every single month it's just a really gorgeous exclusive color. So FOMO makes me want this color. Plus I love blue. Alright, we saw the gel. We saw the dips, and now we're moving in to the last bit of the subscription. So they come with a cute little sticker every single month. I actually keep them on one of my storage containers. I just love collecting them. And then there's some water slide decals, which go with the whole theme. And I'm about to pull out the nail polish. This is on my toes right now, guys. Like, it has this gold sheen in it, and it's absolutely stunning, and I do not have a polish like this. So I'm totally obsessed with this red polish. And then here's the little confetti cutouts that come in this little bag. It's really cute. It just ties it all in. And then it comes with an oil. Each month the bag comes with 1 different liquid. And guys, this was the whole reason why I wanted this bag. Birthday Fears 2, like that swatch is not even pulling up the picture the way it should. It is absolutely stunning, and just look at all that glitter. I'm obsessed with it. So if you sign up from now until October and it's your birthday some of these months coming up, you can get that birthday fierce too as well. So here are all the colors that I got in my subscription. Look at that range. I'm obsessed. If you guys don't like blues or aquas or reds and whites, like, this ain't the bag for you, but you might actually like next month's bag because it is 80s neons, guys, 80s neons. And I know that there's going to be some glow power in there too. Plus, there's a lot of perks that come to being a subscriber. Like, if you sign up next month and you want these colors from June, don't worry, you can get past colors up to 90 days after their release. So, win-win. And here's the mani that I did outside in natural daylight. This is my favorite bag of all time. So I don't know what it is about Sparkle Co subscriptions, but there is like an experience that comes with it. It's more than just the colors that come in the bag. Like, yeah, we can all get these colors from other brands. Like, I'm sure that other brands can give you aquas and reds and navy blues. Like, I'm pretty sure that can happen. But Sparkle Co puts the detail in their subscription bag sticker, in their little paper cutouts. They put the whole theme together, the names that they give the colors. Everything just ties in together for like this whole experience that you get. Plus you get like the 20% off if you're a subscriber. Plus you can refer people, like all the things. Like there's so many perks and benefits to being a Sparkle Co subscriber that I feel like I don't have that offer. Other brands don't offer the same kind of experience that Sparkle Co does for this price, by the way. So if I were to recommend one bag for you to get, it would be the $29.99 bag. Whether you're a dip powder person, you like a mixture of things like I do, dip gel polish, or if you only like gel, they have a $29.99 option for just dip powder, for just gel, and then they also have a surprise me bag so you can get like a variety of things in your bag. So I feel like the $29.99 a month bag is like the most affordable and gives you a great variety of stuff without giving you all the things. But if you're like me and you have FOMO, you want all the things. Anyways, all of the subscription information is going to be in the description box below. Anyways, guys, if you guys are a Sparkle Co subscriber, let me know in the comments below which bag you sign up for and which bag was your favorite so far. If you're new here and you've never subscribed to Sparkle Co subscription bags, all the information is going to be below, but let me know out of all the colors that I got today in this bag, which one's your favorite. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like what you saw here, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, because I come back every single week with a new video, sometimes 2, sometimes 3. So I would love to see you guys here, comment, hang out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!